And so there is something there. And I guess that's what I'm saying, is that there is evidence that there's a connection, but then we take that and we filter it through how we perceive ourselves. So all of a sudden that reality of the connection becomes our need to control. It becomes an exercise in our ego. It becomes an exercise in coping with our own fear, with our own perception of division. And so we almost get in the way of the connection that's already existing by inserting our own perception that we're divided, right? Which is really all that want and desire is the perception of lack, is the perception of division, right? And so the entire manifestation reality became a concept that became egotistical, because then it became about, well, no, okay, so to manifest, I need to feel good. And it's like, yeah, but you're superimposing what you think good is. You're replacing what actually feels good, which is to be yourself, to be free, to let go of all of your distortion. And you're replacing it with, I just need to feel like I'm going to get what I want. And that's a very different feeling with very different energy and a very different consequence. And so that's where the manifestation thing really came into play. It was built off of the growth mindset, and it just added a bit of quantum physics in there. And then it got twisted by, again, the need to make this a simple approach, something that I can just believe in, because if I can believe in it, then I can just feel better. And of course, there's more than enough people that are willing to profit off of a simple promise without overcomplicating it, right? So that's very much it.
Yeah. So do you think with the idea of control and getting to a certain, point where, everything's great, do you think it's almost like that is the place that you are here now? And in order to make it into this egotistical concept, you have to allow people to think that it's a place that they can get. So they strive for it. They spend money on it. They try and, feel better to get to this place, when in reality, it's always here now. And it's the realization that there is nowhere to get. There is nothing that you think that you want to make yourself more than what you are. It's always that you are whole and complete here now. So it's like getting to a place to realize that you've always been there. But if everyone's just realizing that they've always been there and they're always here now, no one's going to make any fucking money off of that.
That's right. It's like I used to say in my life coaching, right? Like my goal is to make it so you never have to see me again, right? Which is what made me a terrible business person. Right? But it's true. I mean, if you were to really level with people about the reality of manifestation, there would be no second part. There would be no sequel.